Best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Audi S3. In the competitive landscape of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S3 emerges as a standout performer, blending exhilarating performance, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology. As the smallest member of Audi's acclaimed S lineup, the S3 offers a dynamic driving experience that is both engaging and luxurious. Under the hood, the 2024 Audi S3 features a potent 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine. This powerplant delivers an impressive 306 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, providing brisk acceleration and responsive power delivery. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the S3 ensures quick and seamless gear changes, enhancing the overall driving experience. Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, offering superior traction and stability across various driving conditions. The S3 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, underscoring its performance credentials. The S3's dynamic performance is complemented by its advanced suspension system. The Sport-tuned suspension, coupled with optional adaptive dampers, provides a balance between comfort and agility. The precise steering system enhances the car's handling capabilities, making it nimble and responsive in corners while maintaining stability on highways. Visually, the 2024 Audi S3 exudes a sporty and refined presence. Its sleek design features sharp lines, a bold single-frame grille, and LED headlights. The S3's athletic stance is further emphasized by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and aluminum mirror caps. These design elements not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. Inside, the 2024 S3 offers a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. High-quality materials such as Nappa leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit features sports seats with diamond stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, which includes a customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The MMI Touch Response infotainment system, with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensures seamless connectivity and entertainment. Safety and driver assistance features are paramount in the 2024 Audi S3. The sedan comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features enhance driver confidence and ensure peace of mind on every journey. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S3 sets a high standard in the midsize sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S3 offers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. Whether navigating city streets or enjoying spirited drives on winding roads, the Audi S3 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.